Take a look at this truck here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1966 Ford F100 regular cab short box. Of course, 66 Ford was touting the twin I-beam suspension. Nice looking truck in red, 403 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Actually a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the chrome bright work up front. Now you kind of notice these letters look kind of yellow and one doesn't. That's the reflection coming off the yellow stripe in the wall behind me, FYI. They are actually chrome. There you go. Chrome up front looking good. Obviously the red exterior with the gray cloth interior. Power brake truck. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, interior undersides of this. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We're going to get underneath the hood here in a little bit, start it up, let you hear it run. You can see it's riding an American Racing chrome wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side of this truck. Is the paint perfect? No, but does it show? Very nice, absolutely, as you can see in the video and you'll see in the pictures also. One you can be proud to take to any of your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. Take a peek at that interior before we get around to the driver's side. So cloth buckets, center console, aftermarket stereo, some aftermarket gauges. We'll get a little closer look from the driver's side over there. And as you can see, bright work, decent shape going up and down the passenger side here. There are a few little nicks and dings in the trim piece in the passenger's door, FYI. There's actually carpeting and a bed mat here, and you can see underneath that I pulled it up in an area, got a picture for you in the still picture, so check it out. There's nothing out of the ordinary back there underneath the mat. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Blue dot taillights, dual exhaust, nice chrome bumper. Bright work, looks good on the rear of the truck. Once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Look up and down the driver's side here again. See how straight it is. Giving you an idea of the condition. All right, as far as interior. Kick panels, bottom of the doors. Nice setup with the bucket seats here. And of course that center console, shifter on the floor, banjo style steering wheel. Temperature gauge here in the dash, and on the other side of the speedometer over there you do have an oil pressure gauge, aftermarket tack up on the steering column, tilt column. Let's go ahead and fire it up, let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay after that. Starts easily. Tack working, yes, tack working. Oil pressure's up. I have not noticed the fuel gauge working, FYI. Radio, working condition. Good there. Nice sounding beep, little rumble out of that 403. Check out the dash. Listen to that. I'm gonna slip around to the back so you can hear that run a little bit here. Throaty exhaust, no doubt. Alright, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. Seat condition, I guess, let me show you that. Of course, here you can see the belts. Seat condition, everything. Pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner, everything there also. Alright, let me pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, hood open. All right, what do we have underneath there? Aluminum radiator, again power brakes, HEI ignition, smooth running 403. Fan shroud, everything there. So a battery cut off here, FYI. Heater hose is still connected. Nice tidy setup underneath there. One to get in, turn the key and go. Have a little fun. Your 1966 Ford F100 regular cab short box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and the description is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.